Tayo po nakatanggap ng reklamo mula po sa mga homeowners ng multinational village sa may Parañaque. Kung saan nangangamba sila yung biglang pagdagsa ng mga Chinese nationals, kaduda-duda na po yung status nito sa gandang immigration.
Pusasan nyo! Pusasan nyo!
Pusasan nyo! Pusasan nyo! Bisipain!
Jamila! Hoy!
What's your purpose to doing that? Because we are immigration and this is the Philippines. This is not China. Now you have to go with us and follow our rules.
37 bale, itong lahat ng nahuli natin nung isang araw. Ito po ngayon ay humaharap sa mga deportation charges because of the violation of the conditions of their stay. And eventually po, pag natapos po yung deportation case na, they will be deported and blacklisted from the Philippines.